I'm going to let you all into a little secret. I'm wearing some lycra. Shh. Hello bike friends, and welcome back to the Bonnie Biker YouTube channel. Today we're back out on the bobber, taking the bike over to Bulldog Triumph to have the water temperature sensor changed. Now my ride over here has been eventful. The bike is running like a bag of crap. The revs are just too high, and when I try and drop it down to go, let's say, a roundabout or a corner, the revs aren't just dropping. So I'm really having to use the brakes. See, look, it's just not dropping down them revs. Yeah, not a very nice experience. So as the bike needs to cool down, obviously being the water temperature sensor, I'm assuming it's going to be in the coolant system, so that water is going to be boiling hot. So I'm going to leave the bike, and Bulldog have kindly arranged for me to have a demo bike while my bike's in there. I'm not sure what I'm getting yet, so that should be a nice little surprise. I'm really grateful for Bulldog squeezing me in, especially with the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride on Sunday, because as much as the V-Strom's great, it's not really a classic bike, is it? Oh, got overtaken by 125. It's such a glorious day today. We've been really blessed with the weather recently, and long may it continue. We're in Reading at the minute, if you didn't recognise it. Pretty sure that's the old jail. There's Banksy on there as well. See that Banksy artwork? Some of you may have seen on Instagram that my little garage studio's come along really nicely. Got some lovely acoustic wall panelling for a backdrop. Stuck up my Bonnie Biker neon sign. Oh, almost professional look. In between that, I've been adding some accessories from Motor House UK and SWO Tech to the V-Strom. I did side panniers, top box. We had the axle slider, tank bag, got some mirror extenders, got some new hand guards. What else was it? Oh, we've got some lovely fog lights on it now. I did also get an engine guard, and am I going the right way? Oh no, don't think so. Yeah, I got an engine guard and some crash bars, but I think they're for the DE, because it's wanting me to fix a part of a frame which runs in line what it looks like the radiator, but on the RE it doesn't have it. But Could be user error, but you know, I'm pretty sure I'm following the instructions right. Guess who's back? Back again. So the bobber's in, and my loan bike is a Speed Triple 1200 RS. This is brand new. I saw the press launch of this, and this bike just looks absolutely insane. Really quick. So we're going to take it steady, because this thing puts out an impressive 180 brake horsepower and 128 newton meters of torque. A little bit different from the bobber. Right, what have we got here? Controls. This one's got the wireless key, so just keep that in my pocket. Oh yeah. Now where? Oh, half a tank of fuel. Make sure I can see. Right. That gearbox feels really smooth from first to second. Normally, my experience with quick shift is first to second's always a bit ropey, but this feels really smooth. You can definitely feel some weight to it as well. Feels this might sound strange, but it feels powerful. Even though I've only taken up to 30, you can feel it's got something about it. What mode are we in? In road, okay, that's fine. We had the wheel off the floor then. Oh my goodness me. Wow. Wow. Whew. This is definitely something not to be messed with. So I've just stopped off in the beautiful town of Henley-on-Thames. Oh, this bike. As I mentioned before, this has got 180 brake horsepower and 128 newton meters of torque. And looking around it, obviously I don't know all the specs without looking online, but we've got some Brembos up front. We've got Öhlins. I think they're Öhlins. Definitely got Öhlins shock to the rear. Twin exhaust, single swing arm. That looks really nice, really nice. It's obviously a black colorway with the little red detailing. It's a very nice looking bike, very nice looking. So what we got from the rider seat, I like all my videos, unless I've shrunk, I'm still 5'11" and I can flat foot the bike fine. And from the cockpit, well, we've got loads of buttons. We've got dip, lights, what's that, cruise control, mode, indicators, menu toggle and horn. And we've got, I'm sure that's the steering lock, hazards, start, kill switch and home button. So let's fire up the display. This has obviously got the straightish bars on with a sort of little rake. Bar end mirrors are pretty good, you can see quite a bit. The display is nice and bright. So let's look at the menu. What have we got here? So you've got various different rider modes. You've got road, sport, track, rider, rain, back to road. Right, let's start her up. Definitely going to keep it in road, as my short little ride over here from Bulldog. Yeah, this thing's lively, very lively. Obviously having the straight bars, you I say straight, they're not straight, but you know what I mean, like Street Fighter style bars. The ride position's not as aggressive if it was to have clip-ons, but I still feel quite a bit of weight in my wrists. But I'm coming from the bobber, so anything with sort of remotely leaning forward, I do feel it. But like everything, I think if you had one of these full time, it would be you'd be used to it. This thing is a monster, an absolute monster. I've got to be honest, it's too much for me. Far too much for me. I'll be more than happy with a 765. I know my limits, and this is above my limit. I mean, it's fine if I want to put her around, but it's such a waste of a bike just sat doing normal riding. This is definitely a track monster. But I suppose it's like any bike really, it's only as fast as you're going to ride it. But I think these are about, what, 17,000, and for all that torque and all that power to just poodle around is yeah, I think it's a bit wasted on me anyway. Incredible experience and an absolutely amazing bike. I'll have to check when I get home what the 0 to 60 is, because this thing's quick, really quick. She sounds awesome. Let me wait there. Well, I think I'm going to head back to Bulldog before I get myself in too much trouble with the 1200 RS. So we're back at Triumph Bulldog, and well, I was out on it for about an hour and a half. This is such a quick bike, and like I mentioned, it probably is a little bit too quick for me. You know, you have to know your limits, and if you're having a bad day or you're annoyed and you know you're just a bit throttle happy, this thing would really punish you, and we don't want that, do we? We want to enjoy being out on a bike. So anyway, I'm going to wrap this up now, but massive thanks to Bulldog for letting me borrow it for a bit, and let's go and see how we're getting on with the bobber. Well, she's all been fixed, so I'm ready to hit the road, get back home, and she definitely needs a bit of a clean. Yeah, she's all dusty. But once again, a big thank you to Bulldog Triumph, especially my buddy Alex, for looking after me. Feels just like home. Oh, so nice to have the bobber back to normal. Anyway, I'm going to sign off for now and just enjoy being out. Thank you all for watching. Take care of yourself, ride safe, and I'll see you soon. Peace.